Hey there, Code Choppers. Welcome back to Chop Code. Today, we are diving into another exciting aspect of .NET MAUI, that is tabbed pages. Join me as we explore how to create dynamic and user-friendly interfaces with tabbed pages in your cross-platform applications. So let's talk about tabbed pages. What are tabbed pages? Tabbed pages are nothing but a popular navigation pattern in app development, providing users with easy access to multiple sections or features of an application. In .NET MAUI, tabbed pages allows you to organize your app content into tabs, each representing a different view or functionality. If this is not making sense at this moment, don't worry. I assure you, by end of this video, you will know all about the tabbed pages and their features. So let's jump into a practical demonstration to see tabbed pages in action. So here we have the same project open in Visual Studio, which we have been working with so far. So now to create a tabbed page, we have to right click on the project and click on Add Item. We have to select .NET MAUI from the options. Let's select the content page and let's name it as tabbed page demo. Now, as you can see, we have got our content page created. But as you know, we want to work with tabbed pages. So for that, we have to just replace this content page with tabbed page. And we also have to make the same change in XAML.cs file as well. Here you can see we are getting some error. Basically, it says inside tabbed page, we cannot directly place a layout control. A tabbed page can only contain content pages inside it. So let's remove this vertical stack layout and add some content pages. Let's give it a title. We have to make sure that we give title to this content page because this title will only appear as a part of tab in our application. So let's name it as tab 1. Let me copy and paste this. Let's change the names to tab 2 and tab 3. Let us save it. And to make tabbed page as default page, we have to go in app.xaml.cs file and replace this flyout page demo with tabbed page demo. That's it. Now let's run our project and see how our tabbed page looks. Now, as you can see, our tabbed page is up and ready. In this application, the tabs are placed on the top of the application. The placement of tabs depend on the type of operating system which you are using. Now let's go to our tabbed page.xaml file and add some content to this content page. Let's do the same for our other tabs. Let me save it. Here we go. Now you can see when I change the tabs, the content also gets changed. This is just a basic demonstration. You can add any level of complexity to these tab pages. So you can add any kind of design here in these tabs. You can also do lot of customizations with tab pages. With tab pages, there are lot of properties which comes inbuilt with them. Some of them are like bar background color. Let's set it to blue. We can also change the bar text color. Let's say white. We also have other properties like selected tab color, let's say yellow, and unselected tab color, let's call it dark red. As you can see, we have the background color as blue, which is coming from this property bar background color. We have our text color as white, but we cannot see the yellow and dark red color in our tabs when we are changing tabs as well. This is because these properties are for icons which we use in our tabs, which means we can also add icons to our tabs. For that, you just have to make a simple change, like you can add icon image source here, and you can select any image from your resources. Currently, we have only one image. Let's select this one only. Let's add the same for other content pages as well. Now you can see the color of selected tab icon is yellow and unselected tabs is red. When I change the tabs, the color also gets changed. As you saw, you can customize the appearance of each tab, including icons, titles, and content to align with your app's design and branding. So whether you are building a productivity app, a newsreader, or anything in between, tabbed pages provide a flexible solution for organizing and navigating your app's content. So friends, that's a wrap for our tabbed page tutorial. I hope you find this exploration insightful. If you did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more in-depth tutorial of MAUI insights. As always, feel free to drop your comments and questions below. In the next video, we'll be exploring more advanced features of .NET MAUI. Stay tuned, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.